this is Jamni Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this web development series where we're gonna see everything in detail about the HTML tags. Now I know my friends, as a beginner this might confuse you, like what are these tags, and even I was confused when I was a beginner, like what is the difference between tags and elements? What are these? Are they same? Because usually they go one by one together. So it might confuse beginners. So here I am briefly explaining you all to every aspect of this tags. And also in the last video I have explained everything about the structure of the HTML code, how the flow looks like. So that is why if you are a beginner and you want to make your skill set stronger and foundation stronger, then I will recommend you all to go and see the last video where I have explained everything about the structure of a HTML code. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? So one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. We are done with the introduction part. Now let's see what are tags. So in the previous video I have explained you what exactly this first thing, this HTML tag is and why is it important in this HTML code. Now next comes meta tag, which I have said that I will explain in this video. So if you haven't seen the last video, I would suggest to go back and see that video. And the next part is that this meta tags. Meta tags are used for the SEO purpose. Okay, so what is this SEO now? SEO helps us to increase ranks of a website. Now what that means, whenever you put any keyword, suppose you want one hair dye or any product. Okay, so you type hair dye and one particular brand comes up in the first. Why is that so? Because of the SEO, that many people visit that website because it has very good ranking, very good SEO, so that is why it comes up first. So meta tags helps in that. And next comes, and again inside meta tags you can see that there is character set UTF-8. Now what that is, it explains, it specifies our encoding, right what kind of encoding will be used in this website. Now next, this viewport helps in making our website responsive. It will adjust its width according to the size of the screen. Now again, last is compatibility. You don't have to worry about it much because in some browsers your website might not be compatible. For example, our Internet Explorer, which you don't have to worry about it now because nobody uses it and it's like gone. So that created actually many problems for the web developers because of the compatibility issues. Many elements were not loading and many web pages were not responsive or compatible enough. So that is why this particular code is being used. So finally, now let's come to again the one of the most used tags, that is the div tag. You have seen in almost every HTML, like many times this div has been used. So let's talk about what exactly this div is. Div acts as a container inside which you can store your other elements. Okay, so it acts like a container. For that reason we use div, and this div defines one section of the your page. Like this is this section and this is another section. So inside that section, whatever elements or tags you wanna use, you can store in that, as like div is a container and you can store in that. Okay, now you know the behavior of the tags, that whatever you open you have to close it, and inside that you will write your content. But have you know another type of tags? Yes, that tags is called as empty elements. And why is it called as empty elements? Because it does not close, one, and second, it does not have any content inside it. Just like this br tag, here we can see that this defines like line break, but it does not have any closing tag. And one more thing talking about HTML is that it is not case sensitive. Like if you write capital P tag and small p tag, both will give you the same result, but it is the convention to write everything in a lower case. Now talking about headings is that you can write headings from H1 to H6. Okay, now the H1 will be more bold compared to H6, right? It will, the boldness will be start decreasing from H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Okay, so whatever you think is the more important and that should be more visible to the audience, that you should write in H1, and least should be written in H6, like that. Now why they are important in the point of view of the SEO? One more thing of headings, you will notice that they have the default font size and the font weight, right? They are looking very thicker and goes thinner and thinner till they come to H6, but you can customize it using CS. So my friends, this much for today. Hope you guys like this video, and if you have any doubt regarding this tags, let me know in the comment section. And also if you have any more suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. I would happy to hear from you all. And also please share this video with your friends, they might find it helpful. And yes, have a great day. Bye bye.